Meet Katie, who likes to research her thesis online. Katie has been using a Windows 7 computer for years now, and she recently felt the need to upgrade. Now that she had heard about Windows 10 quite a few years back, she believes that this may probably be the end for this version of Windows. Katie is unable to get her work done on her old machine, even after spending hundreds of dollars in the name of maintenance. Katie has recently heard from someone that there is going to be a new Windows 11, and that Microsoft is going to stop the support for Windows 10 computers. Poor Katie can't decide whether to wait for the mighty Windows 11 or just jump on the bandwagon and get the Windows 10. Now that the festive season is here, she doesn't want to miss any discount that she can get on her new computer. So, she decides to take the matter into her own hand and research if there's really going to be any Windows 11 anytime soon. Although, there are rumors and speculating videos describing Windows 11 concept with a very fancy interface and lightning-fast processing. Katie also got to know that Microsoft releases 2 updates in a year, and that she doesn't have to worry about having any support ending issue on her new Windows 10 computer. That's the kick she needed. She's purchased her new Windows 10 PC and got it all protected with the best antivirus software. Kathy is happy that she now has the knowledge about Windows 11 concept that she can share with her friends.